for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at this 2004 Hyundai Xg350, also known as a Hyundai Grandeur. I'm going to be removing and replacing the cabin air filters or reinstalling the cabin air filters on this vehicle today. The process on this should be the same, if not very similar, to the 1999 to 2005 year models. What we're going to do is press on both sides of the glove box just enough to get the stops to slide out of your dashboard. You could also remove the stops, but I've noticed that these dashboards are flimsy enough to where you could do this and not harm anything. Here's the door for your cabin air filters. The circle right there is a knob. You're going to turn that and then pull down in a downward motion to remove the door. You see I'm going to turn it right here and then pull down. You have two cabin air filters. Pull up the first one. You'll notice there's little tabs on the air filters. The top one has a tab on the bottom. Your bottom filter has the tab on the top. Some aftermarket filters do not have the tab. You can put them in either way. If you do need a cabin air filter, make sure you look for a link in the description below to purchase that. You can get OEM replacement and upgraded cabin air filters too. Go ahead and install the cabin air filter. You'll see the tab like I was talking about right here on top. The bottom one, the tab is on top. Should be a link in the description below to buy your cabin air filter. And real quick, how do you make a Ford accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 15 seconds? Do you know? Well, you push off a cliff. Pretty good. All right, back to this. The tab, the lower one, the lower filter has a tab on the top. Now this upper filter, the tab is going to be on the bottom. This is a real quick and simple, easy process. Remember, if you do not replace or maintain these cabin air filters regularly, this could adversely affect the efficiency of your HVAC system in the cabin. One, it'll slow down the airflow going through it, put strain on the blower motor. To install your cover right here, push, or you're going to slide it up and then push your knob in and turn it. Also, if you get a smell in the cabin, it could be because of this too, if you haven't replaced it in a while. You can see the door is pretty flimsy. Just push it right into your dashboard and you're all set. Real simple, easy process. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you on the next, hopefully helpful video.